This ANKE 12-megapixel security camera system delivers extremely sharp, ultra-high-definition footage, making it easy to zoom in on fine details like faces, license plates, and small objects. The included network video recorder supports 16 channels and uses efficient video compression with a generous pre-installed hard drive, so you can retain a long history of recordings without constantly managing storage. Each wired Power over Ethernet camera connects with a single cable for power and data, simplifying installation while maintaining a stable, lag-free connection that does not depend on a wireless network. The cameras combine advanced subject detection that distinguishes people and vehicles with customizable privacy masking, which helps reduce false alarms while keeping private areas out of recorded footage. Built-in spotlights and multiple night viewing modes allow these cameras to capture clear color images in the dark when motion is detected, while still offering traditional infrared black and white night vision when you prefer discretion. Rugged, weather-resistant housings and integrated microphones make the system suitable for year-round outdoor use, providing both video and audio coverage for homes or small businesses in a wide range of climates.